afternoon, everyone, in my YouTube channel. I never upload anymore about Mrs. John or anything about JK, but today, because Hannah Kiar, shout out to Anna Kiar. I'm very happy you still remind me. You know, when JK came out to the Weverse life at the night, I know, I just felt in my heart today, at my mind at the time. I felt, and my mind talked to me that tonight JK will come out, maybe in Weverse, maybe in Twitter, maybe in his Instagram, Bomb's Instagram or TikTok. But at that night, I just feel that he came out on the Weverse, and it happened. And you all know what? A month before he came out on the Weverse live, the color of his shirt, his black beanie, black shirt, black jeans or trousers, black trousers, not black, gray, I think. I thought, yeah, I already seen that before he came out in the Weverse and said he missed us very much. I can't deny that he is my twin flame, but I will never say that anymore, that he is my twin flame. I will just, yeah, I will just live my life busy with my own career, with my own work, with my own life. So because twin flame need to focus on themselves, must focus, must love yourself first, so me and him can be heal each other. I just thought like that every day I remind myself to love, to focus on myself. So if he is my twin flame, he will do the same. I will not chase him anymore. When when I don't chase him anymore, he just he just came out and said that he miss us. I miss him, but I just try to endure all the feeling in my heart by myself. And God, the right time, divine time is the answer. One day. And I never ask the God anymore who is, what the purpose he gives to me to make me connected with JK. I never ask the God anymore, because I really know inside my heart. And even I never ask the God, but God and the universe always try to tell me when he miss me, when JK miss me, when the feeling of missing each other happen, when he will come out to the Weverse or something like that, that really make me and JK connected. Telepathy. Twin flame is telepathy.